How to delete profile cover on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete profile cover on Facebook mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here, and now click on your profile and then just click on your profile cover, and now click this one, view profile cover, and then click this 3 points and click delete photo and delete. And as you see, profile photo has been deleted, and that's how to delete profile cover. And don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.